You've seen the overview video of the 10 steps of the home buying process. And now it's time to look closer at each step individually. I'm Sean Ryan with the Blue Coast team, and today our focus is on step 1, researching or reaching out to a realtor. Here you are at the starting point. You recognize you need to purchase a home and want to know what action to take next. The first action I recommend is thinking about what you want and need. Chat with your partner about plans for the future and the life you want to have. Think about your short and long-term goals and write them all down. Once you've established direction you would like to take, it's time to research a realtor who can help you meet your needs. So, what are the criteria to look out for in a realtor, and where do you search? Well, for criteria, you'll always benefit from experience, whether that be in the form of a realtor or a broker who's been very active for years, or maybe they've closely mentored a new promising salesperson you're considering to work with as well. Next, look at their visibility. Are they a top producer in the community, province, or even nationally? Have you ever been reached by one of their advertisements? Have you heard them on the radio or seen their signs on any of the lawns? Does their name or their slogan at the very least ring a bell? You'll want to see testimonials from past clients and case studies on their accomplishments. This is sort of a wide guess of what their character is like. The greater number of positive reviews, the higher likelihood they're trustworthy. For this, you want to check out their online presence. Check out their Facebook, their Instagram, their LinkedIn, Twitter, YouTube, their Google profile. The more positive reviews you can find, the better. So you can sort of see what we're doing here. We're doing basic detective work to see how your realtor candidate appears before we even reach out to them. We want to get a feel for them and the impression they've had on others. Once you're impressed with a realtor or a few potential realtors, it's time to reach out to them. A phone call, text, message, or emails all work great. Pay attention to how long it takes to get a response back, as that could be a reflection of how on the ball they will be when you're dealing with them. Now that you've made contact, you'll likely have an in-person or a virtual meeting where they'll discuss more in depth the values they will bring if you choose to sign or work with them. In this meeting, you may solidify your decision to work with them by signing a buyer representation agreement. Now, once you've signed that agreement, the realtor is officially representing you. You have made the decision to work exclusively with that realtor. So, that was step 1, researching and reaching out to realtors. In the next video, we're on to step 2, pre-approval, where you will find out the size of the loan the financial lender will approve you for. Thanks for watching, and remember to put Sean on your lawn.